So, in this video, we are going to take exercise 8.2, question number 8. Okay, the price of TV is rupees 13,000. So, this is the cost price. Cost price of TV is equal to 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Okay. So sales tax is 12%. Okay. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Okay. So looking at this question, the cost of a TV is this much and the sales tax is this much. Sales tax means what the person will, the shopkeeper one who's selling this TV, okay, he will.
Sir, आपकी voice echo हो रही है.
Okay, he will actually charge 12% on this. Okay, so 12% of, because we know that percentage is always of something. Okay, so this 12% is of the cost price which is given here. It is 13,000. Okay, so first we have to find out the 12% which is given in percentage here. So it is what, 12 upon 100 multiplied by 13,000. Now it is what, 12 multiplied by 150. So it will be, now the sales tax is 1,560. Now that if Vinod is taking this TV, he has to pay, that is the selling price is equals to this 13,000 plus this tax. Okay. When you have seen the, suppose when you went to any restaurant and have a lunch or dinner, so at the end of the bill, at the end of the dinner or lunch, when you get the bill, in the bill, it is written that you have to pay the tax also. So the amount which you have eaten, you have to pay for that as well as the tax also. So this will be.
Excuse me, sir, your voice is not clear. 4560.
So this will be what? 14,560. Now question number 9. In question number 9 it is given that Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale. Okay. Where the discount given was 20%. Okay. The discount on the skate is 20%. Alright, but still the statement is incomplete. Okay. If the amount he pays is 1,600, it means that the amount he is paying, actually it means the selling price. The selling price of his case is 1,600. You have to find out the mark price. Okay, let me explain this question first of all. Suppose when you go to a mall and there is a discount of 20% on any clothes. Suppose there is 20% on a pant. So when you pay the amount, that 20% is actually reduced. But the thing is, what is the 20%? Because we know the percentage is always of something. Percentage किसी चीज का होता है. 20% किस चीज का? Is it the color of the pant, size of the pant? No. It is the price which is tagged there. जो price में लिखी होती है, the price which is printed there. That is called mark price. So discount is always on the mark price. Mark price means the amount which is written on it. Okay. Then that is reduced, and then we pay the reduced amount. Okay. So this 20% is actually of mark price. Okay. If you see this question, do we know the mark price? No, we do not know the mark price. So we will take it as X. Let the mark price be X. अभी mark price X है. Okay. So I have to find out the 20% of this, and you know how to find out this 20%. So discount is 20% of X. This is what 20 upon 100, and this is what 21 times 25 times. This is what 5 by X. Okay. So look at this. This is your discount in terms of fraction. Okay. It is not in percentage now. Okay. Again, you have to find out the X, which is the mark price. To find an unknown value, we need what? We need an equation. Okay. We know that the selling price, okay, 1600, this is selling price, which you will get when this discount is actually subtracted from the mark price. Means जो पैसा आपका printed है उसमें discount हम निकालेंगे, that amount which we have to pay, and that amount will be what? 1600. So you can say that mark price minus discount will be equal to selling price. Okay. Put the values, you will get an equation, and then you can solve it. So this is what X minus X by 5. Here we have our equation, solve it and get the answer. It will be what? LCM will be 5. Here it is 1. So we can do what? 5x minus x is equal to now 4x is equal to 5. Now you have to find out x, do the cross multiplication. So this is your mark price, rupees 2000. This is your answer. Now question number 9. I purchased Arun bought it is question number 10. Sorry.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Question number 10 now. I purchased a hair dryer, okay, for 5,400, including 8% VAT. Okay, so cost price. This is the cost price. Cost price with VAT. Cost price with VAT is 5,400. The rate of VAT is 8%. Okay, this is still incomplete. And find the price before the VAT was added. All right.